My name is Ryan Manwarren. I'm the maintenance manager here at Continental Carbonic in Winnebago, Minnesota. Basically what we do here at Continental Carbonic is we make dry ice. The dry ice is negative 109 degrees Fahrenheit. It's used in meat packing, cold storage, shipping, and also dry ice blasting industry. One of my goals coming onto this company 3 years ago was to bring it into a more predictive nature of maintenance. We wanted to raise our reliability of our machinery instead of relying on a run-to-fail type of process. We use the Fluke TiS75 multimeter, semi-annual inspections on every electrical cabinet. It has enough to do a qualitative analysis. We also use the Fluke TiS75. We use it for more of our in-depth reporting on our thermal anomalies. It's able to do very in-depth reporting and scanning of our equipment. Now that we have gone to a preventative maintenance culture on our machinery, our reliability has skyrocketed. Our machines run longer. Machines are always going to break down. That's the nature of the beast. If you're in maintenance, it's job security.